All right, Jeanette. Hey, thank you so much for doing this for us today.
Of course, and thank you.
I'm really excited to hear your story a little bit too. But yeah, just to give the audience a little bit of context here. And it's going to be great because you have so much experience in the insurance business. But when did you start with us at Kitajima Insurance?
Of course, so my name's Jeannette Martinez, and I started at Kitajima March of 2023. And I've been doing insurance for the past 26 years.
That's right, yeah. So that's a lot of experience. So that's great because you have more context of how the business works, really good understanding of what type of managements there are, what type of comp plans there are, and things like that. But
absolutely.
How many different places out of those 26 years we were working at?
Well, I used to work for finance companies. I used to work for Westlake Financial, and then I went through to Strong Tie Insurance, Freeway, Pronto, and I'm here now with you.
That's right, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm really grateful that you are with us here.
I'm grateful too, Dan.
What would you say are some of the differences that you've seen from the other places that you worked at? Because they're all pretty much in insurance sales, right? Very similar companies, carriers. But what are some of the differences, would you say, when it comes to other places you worked at in here?
The differences between the other places that I've worked at and where I work now at Kitajima is there's a big difference. The comp plan is really different. At the other places, you only do hourly and commission. And with you, I love it because you pay us on different, as in like broker fees, hourly, and your premiums. And that's what motivates me the most.
Okay, so over there was mostly just the fees and the hourly only, or was
the hourlies and the broker fees.
Gotcha.
And you get a percentage of everything. Unlike here at Kitajima, you get a percentage of everything that you do.
How big the premium did it matter?
No, it didn't matter. So you can reach up to a certain number, and you're still going to get the percentage, and that's it.
Percentage of the broker fee, you mean?
The broker fee and the premium.
Okay, so you would get something off the premium.
You would get something off the premium.
But not that much?
Not that much.
So was it more off the broker fee than the premium?
Yes, it was more off the broker fee, and that's why I did a lot of broker fees at the other agencies, because that's how I made my money.
Gotcha. And that experience is something that has really helped you out here.
Big time,
You've been the broker fee agent of the year for 2 years in a row.
That is correct.
But the premium, I feel, is important because it's more work to sell a 4-car policy than a non-name owner policy. You have to get more pictures, there's more coverage to explain, and then you also want people to add more cars, get more coverage and things like that. So it's more of it's not just like, hey, let's get the cheapest policy and charge the most broker fees. It's kind of like, hey, let's make sure everybody's in the house, so let's make sure you add more cars, and then the bigger the premium, it's going to be more work, but I'm here to help you with that.
Absolutely, yes. The other places don't work like Kitajima. Kitajima really cares about their customers and their employees. And that's one thing I've noticed. Other places, they just want you to sell, regardless of if it's a bad policy, good policy, short policy, long policy. They don't care about their clients or their agents. And I've noticed here at Kitajima, you really do care about everybody. And that's what motivates me the most.
I think that's normal.
Yeah.
Every employer should care, every human should care about each other. But especially if they're working hard for the company, then that should be reciprocated. Like the company should care about the people. And I think that care is what keeps a good, healthy relationship and company going.
Absolutely.
How has your career or life grown since joining?
It's been growing good. As you can see, I travel a lot, thanks to you, of course. I try to make as much money as I can, to provide for my kids and myself and put a roof over my head. And financially, it's going great. And I think I made the best decision working for you.
Well, thank you for thanking me, but make sure you thank yourself because you're the one actually doing the work.
Of course.
You're the one, closing the deals. But yeah, I still remember your situation where you actually called me and I was like, wow, you're so good at sales. I never done this before, but I almost made the offer over the phone. Over the phone without an interview.
That's so true. That's a true story.
So the sales skills was there. I saw it from day one. And yeah, it's great to see you, develop different type of skills that we have here and be where you are today. But we're super proud of you. And I want to thank you. Would you recommend someone to join Kitajima Insurance and why?
Absolutely. I would recommend people. The reason why it's because good pay, good environment. You're an amazing boss. Like I said, you really care for us and you see us as family. And not a lot of places see us as family. They see us as robots, objects, you know? But you're different. You're a family man and you really care about everyone here. And I will recommend people, I would definitely do it because it's good. Why wouldn't you work for Kitajima Insurance? I've been here 3 years.
Oh, thank you, Jeanette. What type of people do you think would actually succeed here, do you think?
People that are hungry for money, people that want to make money, and you know, strong people will be good here for Kitajima.
Yeah, just like you.
Just like me.
You've been in this business for such a long time.
For such a long time.
You know, and you never gave up.
Never. That's why I'm still here 26 years later.
Mm-hmm.
I could have changed my career, but no, I like insurance, I like helping people, and I like making money.
Yeah.
Because that's all I know how to do. That's all I know how to do.
And you're also really good at it, so
I am.
that helps.
True.
So yeah, Jeanette, let's keep working hard for our families.
Absolutely.
You know, you're just a great inspiration for everybody here. You know, we have a lot of different types of people here, but a mature experience, those are things that, like, you know, helps our agency out with the culture. So really appreciate everything you do for us. I remember also when we were not complete independent.
I know.
You know, you were the one that actually helped us understand a lot of the things that how the broker side worked.
The broker
So
piece.
we've kind of long ways, you know, like getting signature, like application signed and stuff like that. You actually brought your experience and taught us a lot of things, how we do things. So as we transition from a captive farmers to an independent agency, I feel like you had a big role in helping us understand and be able to make that transition. So you're a big part of our history.
Thank you.
Of Kitajima Insurance and the reason why it is what it is today.
Thank you, Dan. That's so sweet. My name's Jeannette Martinez. I'm a sales agent at Kitajima Insurance. Let's get it.